stop, Nagoya Castle. We here. So, since silang dalawa yung nakakaintindi ng Nihongo, I let them do the job of checking kung anong oras kami aalis and that sort of stuff. Anyway, it's expected to rain at around 1 p.m. I hope it doesn't rain. But it's 12:12. Okay pa. Na-figure out na?
Of course. That's my purpose here. Ha! Isang lapad na.
Arigato. It's giving red card ng effort.
Sinilalagay sa locker.
Oh.
Ginagamit ko po yan sa trunks. Sa training, sa
There it is!
pagkain.
Oh my God! So anong tawag dito?
Ano?
Site of the first date?
Yeah.
Guys, sobrang init. Isang init. Sobra ba? There's the castle. That's Nagoya Castle. But before we go there, punta muna tayo sa loob ng Homaru Palace. So may orientation, guys. But,
take off your shoes here and bring them upstairs.
okay.
The shoebox is inside. Please.
So we have to remove our sneakers. So guys, right before you go to Nagoya Castle, they have this small picture for free. So as long as you're like around 3 packs, actually hindi, kahit more than 3 kayo, free siya. So backdrop is the Nagoya Castle. So ito yung makukuha nyo. Welcome to Nagoya Castle, and then your photo. So guys, it is 1:06 in the afternoon. Nagtali na po ng buhok ang aking friend ni Lin Bambam. So, hindi na kami pupunta dun sa part na yon.
Huwag ka maniwala, tita.
Ako nagsabi, kapag
Tita,
makong manonood ka man.
yan, hindi dapat pinapaniwala.
Sabi ko, guys, tara ilaban na natin to. Silang dalawa, itong dalawang ni Hongjin.
Kasalanan namin.
Ni Hongjin.
Ano, Tomodachi?
Ay, wag mo kong tinutomadachi to. Tatamaan ka sa akin. So, itong dalawa na to, nag-decide na hindi na daw nila kaya. For now, sobrang init, hindi na talaga kaya. So, punta na kami sa next sightseeing tour. Same bus pa rin tayo.
Nagbablog pa rin.
Yes, laban! Anong oras?
Wait lang, madam ha.
Guys, so, work with me. So now, we decided to have lunch already. So, merong super near lang sa Nagoya Castle. It's a 4-minute walk. Pag exit nyo, just turn left and then you'll see this parang one street siya na punong-puno ng mga restaurants. So, we're supposed to eat here, pero we're supposed to eat there, pero super haba, kaya we're gonna eat here instead. Okay. Basta, ito yung tempura rice bowl set. And then, same thing yung order ni Jen. Ito ano?
Chicken tempura set.
Yay! So let's eat. So we have miso soup. Let's eat, guys. Yun na yan. Kain na tayo. If you guys are curious, ito yung kinainan namin. So guys, coffee. Ay, coffee. Ice cream pala. Ice cream muna. Dessert. So guys, yung kinainan namin, very shala naman siya, and like, the place was nice, the ambience was nice, very refreshing yung water nila. Kala ko nung una, it was matcha, pero hindi pala siya matcha. Mag-ice cream kami for dessert because super init talaga ngayon sa Japan. Paglabas ko talaga ng airport, nung kahapon, after our flight, sobrang nasad ako na ganito kalala yung init sa Japan. So it's July now. Expect na super init. As in, guys, naka-dress na ako. As in, you know, ang dami nang pwedeng pasukan na hangin. Pero, kulang pa rin. But, of course, hindi natin magiging dasan yun. So ito na po yung pinagmamalaki naming 500 pesos. Ay, 500 pesos. 500 yen. Kakulay mo, B. In the shade of vanilla.
Wait lang.
B! Natutulog!
Nakakaligaga na naman ako sa'yo.
Smile lang ah.
Ang pangit ko. Ikaw lang maganda, te.
Narinig din guys, hindi sa akin ang galing yun. Ganito ako kamahal ng mga kaibigan ko. Guys, it's raining so hard. Expected to rain at around 1 p.m. I hope it doesn't rain.
Oh my God! Hindi ko naman yung pakulan. At nakapag-video ka pa talaga.
For the memes. We're waiting for the bus. Tokugawa Art Museum. Kaso, we decided not to go anymore kasi ang aarte ng mga kasama.
Kapal ng mukha mo. Sobrang kapal ng mukha.
At least front stabbing. At makokorek mo ako agad kung mali sila.
Kapal ng mukha mo.
Hindi kasi maulan. Kaya hindi na namin i-risk. So, our next stop will be Nagoya City Science Museum. A ka muna, A. So guys, before we go to Nagoya City Science Museum, we're gonna try this. Actually, si Jenze lang. Magkakape siya, nagkaka-withdrawal na daw siya. It's Cafe de Cri, I guess. A cup of happiness. Or a lot of happiness. Cafe de Cri. So, I think some of the options that you can buy, ayan na siya. Umu-order na siya. Hi, Ate Joy. Guys, we made it here in Nagoya City Science Museum. It's a 5-minute walk from the coffee shop na pinuntahan namin.
At saka kung saan kami bumaba.
Yep.
Woo!
A muna eh.
Alalala, uy, malakas yan sa Raulo ko.
Ikaw. Ang aggressive naman ni Beth.
Bakit? Ba't hindi mo labas? Gusto mo yung pag-
Sige, try mo.
Ba't mo hipan?
So guys, super daming kids. It's giving field trip. Sayang sarado na yung sold out yung planetarium.
Yeah.
Yung family shop ang kids. So guys, we are back here in Zara. So dinala ko dito si Jen since she's leaving tonight. Balik na siya ng Tokyo kasi sa Tokyo talaga siya. So thank you, Jen, for going all the way here. Ang arte. Early dinner. It's around 6:48 at meron pa rin pong araw. So dito kami magdi-dinner sa Izeria. First time ni Jen. So guys, our order is here. Yan.
The vlogger is
For the vlogger tayo. So, we have the carbonara here. Ano to?
Mentaiko pasta.
Pizza and then grilled chicken. Ay, grilled chicken. Basta chicken.
Ano yan?
Parang wings. We're just waiting for one more food and then we're gonna eat. Pero kung pwede na. Yun lang naman yung inaantay ko. Go! We're heading to Mirai Tower. And how perfect is this? Merong ipa-outdoor movie. The movie is La La Land. And then... Yeah, tapos ganito yung view. What the hell? Shiloh! Rigor! Bakit? Ako lang ba? Kung may kasama ka ngayon sa Japan, sinong gusto mo? Ako si Shiloh. Jenzel, ito na ang pagkakataon. If you wanna send a message
Pag
across...
sinabi ko si Choi,
Shit. Hindi ko yung nakakat. So, saan na ka pala isi-send? Nagoya Skyball. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ay, malamig.
masarap, malamig.
From Nagoya Skyboat. That's Donkey. And that's Jenzel. Guys, we are almost at the top.
Dapat dito po
Nagoya Skyboat.
Wala, point.
And the cost is 600 yen. Unlike sa Mirai Tower, it was 1,800 yen. But I think it's because weekend ngayon. Kasi kahapon, 900 yen lang yung sinil sa akin. Anyway, we're gonna 0.5. Lord, thank you for the blessings. Thank you dahil
You're
pumunta po
keeping
si
us
Jenzel
safe.
dito.
You're keeping us safe.
Yes, financial abundance. Financial abundance. So kung may i-grant na wish si Lord ngayon. Ay, hindi ko.
Mag-picture ka na!
Kung may i-grant si Lord na wish ngayon.
Hindi ka. Peace of mind.
Peace of mind. Hindi yung direction.
Ikaw.
Hindi yung direction.
Hindi.
Aray! Rigor!
Ay, parang... Bakit hindi pa rin
Hindi. Kumalma ka. Kitang-kita nila ugali nating dalaho. To Jay Switch. Ay, kaso kita siya.
Oo, pangit.
Uy, hindi ayaw mo lang tumayo eh. Ikaw, Lord. To Jay, kailangan mo mag-move. Sorry. Kailangan mo mag-move dito. Kasi dito ka natawa. So currently po, medyo holding for her life. Ganun po siya katakot. So that's it for the Nagoya Skyboat adventure. All worth it. At kahit nandito na tayo sa baba, nakahawak pa rin siya. Nakaulo nga. Quick lang siya, around 15 to 20 minutes. And naka-aircon po. So perfect ngayong super init. It is 10 p.m.
Yeah.
Literal, one day. Salamat, Jen. Ganun mo akong kamahal.
Ew.
Salamat. So, magsi-sleepers bus ulit siya. Pabalik ng
Ayoko,
Tokyo.
mama.
Saya na may nagmamahal ng ganito sa okay! Hahatid natin si Jenzel sa Fushimi station. So, mga 5-minute walk lang naman siya. Shucks! Init!